Holy cow, if any of y'all go to the Bass Pro Shops in Birmingham, Alabama, that entrance is like, I don't know, it's like several miles of just straight up country roads. And it's like, it felt like we were going to like a secret base or something.
Yeah, I took you the scenic way.
Yeah, yeah.
There's like another way that's not as pretty, but like first time I take people, I always like try to pass it first. Man, I didn't feel like we were going to Bass Pro. I thought we were about to pop out of Disney World.
If y'all haven't already recognized, this is Larry.
How are y'all doing?
Oh man, that is dark.
Fantastic.
I'm gonna be down here in Alabama for a few days doing some collaborating with some other creators. Oh, that lighting is looking good. Anyways, fished 2 ponds this early morning. First one, no success. Second one could have been some good fishing, but this guy in a white truck just pulled up and we were like, oh, we gotta get out of here.
Yeah, it was a little sketch situation.
We decided to just come to Larry's Bass Pro, do, I don't know, a $20 fishing lure challenge. Just have some fun with it. Never done it on this channel. I know you guys have requested it a bunch of times. Yeah.
Never done a $20 challenge.
Nope.
Oh, it's got to be fun.
You will have $20 to pick out lures for me, and I'll pick out some lures for you. All right, just one more thing. Try not to like pick out some crazy saltwater lures.
Big swim bait.
Yeah.
All right, got it. Big swim bait.
Yeah, at least.
Look, this is, I can get a discount. This is $25. You attach treble, it's top part, bottom part, and you fish the great white shark. All right, here's your $20 challenge. I mean,
you gotta give me content, man. I gotta have fish to have content.
Sounds like we're standing right under the speaker. Hopefully this doesn't get unmonetized.
Yeah, don't demonetize me, Bass Pro.
Oh, let's see. So I guess we'll start off with some lures. Do you want? You're a pretty cool dude. I won't make it too tough for you. We'll keep it pretty simple. Let's see. All right, we're gonna start off with the Bass Pro branded stuff. I feel like when you're trying to do a $20 challenge, the Bass Pro stuff is normally the best to start off with because you can get cheaper stuff, like good quality but still cheap, you know. So we're doing hooks, and you need hooks.
Yeah.
You think, or do you want to skip the hook part and just do lures?
Go hooks, yeah.
Okay, we'll do hooks. All right, so we're gonna do 5 to 3-aught. Do you like wide gap or do you like just the regular?
I like wide gap.
All right, we'll give you the wide gap ones, I guess, if we can find some. So these look bigger, but they're 3-aught versus the regular. All right, we need the regular 3-aught.
I'm definitely getting demonetized. The music is just blasting. Whatever, might as well just vibe with it. All right. To save some time, I'm gonna go pick out your lures. We'll meet, I don't know, when we're done. And yeah, I will go pick out your stuff. All right, what should I get? Power worm? Dude, this might get done. All right, so that's $6. First bait, power worm. Where is it? Here we go. That's $4 right there. Big ol' fusion offset. Oh, sorry, focus. There we go. I'm feeling like a hard bait might be good. Oh, let's pick out a crazy color. Just some ponds, I guess. Just doing some pond hopping. Got any good spots to recommend?
Not really ponds.
Just lake-wise stuff.
Logan Martin's always the
Parking lot, and the other side is the. Oh, there's parking lot in the
parking lot
dam.
on the right hand side of the dam, and on the left hand side of the dam, that's just Logan Martin Lake.
Yeah.
But because of all the rain we have right now, watermelon green's working today.
Watermelon green? Alright, I know exactly what color not to get you then. We're filming a $20 Bass Pro challenge.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're just picking out each other's lures for the day. Oh, watermelon red, lizards right there. Let's get some. So Larry, you got lizards, worms, bugs. I'll get you I mean like, you can fish a lizard on this hook, no problem. That's a smaller size. I'll be nicer. Get him that instead of what? This is like a 10-inch lizard. $2.50 chance. Yes. Alright, I think this is under 20 still, but if we go anything more than that, we'll be over. You checking out reels? Let's see what you got. Okay. A lot of Bass Pro Shop stuff. Oh, these are Ike and Ellie worms. Crawls. I love crawls. Okay, some hooks. That'll be helpful. And then we got lipless, red lipless, and nice topwater.
And if you're feeling fancy, you can actually put one of these worms on each one of these hooks. So
yeah,
and you can fish it, and then it's like a double up. You know?
Oh yeah.
So you can cross 2 lures off of your list at once. And I mean, that's just, I wouldn't do it personally, but I mean, you can try it.
I would be lying to you if I said we caught fish that day. It is now Friday, which is 4 days after Larry and I went to Bass Pro Shops. But today, it is 6 o'clock in the morning, bright and early. Fish are biting, they're waking up, bait are busting. Got Logan Anderson in the back. I'm gonna be fishing with him today, and let me just run down these baits with you. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't subscribed to him, get that man to 20K. So we got some Yum Christy crawls. Okay, Larry, I see. Some power bait flute worms. These are interesting. Got a red rattle trap. I prefer to throw these during spring, but I think they'll work still. And a green popper. So, oh yeah, some hooks as well. Those are crucial. But Larry decided to go with a lot of the Bass Pro Shop brand hard baits, and that's, you know, it helps with the budget. So I'm gonna be fishing these today, and I think Logan will be helping me knock some of these baits out.
I got you.
Yeah, you guys stay tuned and enjoy. All right, this is 14 foot.
Yeah, I think so.
You've fallen off this thing several times, right?
No, never.
Oh.
Surprisingly. Knock on wood.
Now, what's the biggest fish you've ever caught out of here?
8, 6.
There it is. My BB is a 5, so.
And that was last summer. I haven't caught it since. So
Oh, wow.
It could be like 9.
All right, let's bring out the baits. I'm gonna start throwing the popper. You can throw anything in here if you feel like it.
Oh yeah, I'll go with the crazy looking crawl.
All right, now this is 15-pound fluorocarbon line. Not what you want to be throwing a popper on, but I would rather throw it on this than 30-pound braid. By the way, I brought some bananas on the boat. No, I'm kidding. You got him?
God, the way you ran, I thought he was a giant.
Yeah.
I was about to say, of course.
Well, guys, I hope this kind of speaks to you in saying how good of a place we're fishing today. Second cast, Logan catches one on the crawl.
Like back
I'll throw it against here for now.
the trees are pretty solid.
There he is.
Oh my gosh, that's so
No. Oh, yeah, he's on. He's just small.
the little pop that
Yeah.
he made was just whoop.
Yeah. I started reeling into him, and it's like nothing. So
Fit it, just
yeah.
in the back.
Well, there it is. Little popper dude.
Took it in the back.
All right, we're gonna try and get on some bigger ones. I'm gonna throw towards this point right here. Oh yeah, that's what we want. Great backlash. Popper, I'll tie you on later. Those flute worms look really interesting. Never thrown them before. We did get some hooks as well. Some 3/0 Magna O'Shaughnessy. That's a funny name. Oh, all right. Here goes nothing. It's got a super soft body. Interesting smell. There he is. Come here. You're not getting off. The shmagaboo, whatever these hooks are called. They got a real funky name.
Oh, he almost jumped into the
Yeah?
Got him.
There it is. Oh, double up.
Gosh, little guy
Holy cow.
going crazy.
See you, buddy.
Oh,
Oh, okay. Had a little bit of extra flop on it. Throw out my worm a little bit, but I think we can still catch one more on this guy before he totally bites the dust. There he is. Oh man, that's funny. Was reeling it in and then he hit it. See you, bud. Yeah. Better. Oh, it's yeah. That's a good. That's a good one. Yeah.
I kind of just net it,
Oh, okay.
so I don't.
I didn't
swim it.
even notice that net in here.
Oh wow.
Oh, back in the water he goes. It's good too. Yeah. There he is.
They're on the bottom bite.
They are. All right, come on, bud. Come on. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, just get over here. You're fine. You're fine. Okay, we're upgrading, people. We're upgrading. That's actually a solid 1.5 maybe. Ooh, chill out, bud. Don't give me that much bass thumb. See you later. All right, I'm gonna try one of them crawls. Dang, they got a lot of.
Yeah, I know, they're real slippery. It's been way too much.
Yeah, I'm sure we're all guilty of that.
I don't even need any more. I told myself I wasn't gonna get anything. I was like, well, if I get a swim bait rod, I need a swim bait reel.
Yeah.
And I ended up with a swim bait setup.
That's the exact same thing I told myself, and then I just recently ordered a Stratic. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they're on the crawl.
All right, better bet. Oh no, about the same size as that one, but golly, they like the Christy crawl. Come up from the diffs, you big Bertha. Yeah. Quick release, buddy. Sorry about that. I was a little slow on feeling the bite. You know, this might look like a shad if they see the bottom of it, like all the sparkles and stuff. Oh yeah, there he is. What? Oh, I almost took off your head. I hate when they eat at the boat. It's like, how do I set the hook on you?
Yeah.
Straight up or like to the side?
It's like a panic hook set, then you miss them.
Yeah. Wow, this crawl's actually pretty durable.
Yeah,
It's lasting a lot of it.
It has good action.
Yeah.
Too. It's like you don't really get.
Dang, what is this? A yum? Okay. That's another one. Dude.
That one's sounded pretty solid.
All right, bud. Yeah?
Oh, I had him.
Oh. You're good, buddy. Don't spine me. There it is. Red lipless Bass Pro. Oh, it's got a nice matte finishing. Oh man, this might get it. Oh yeah, I like that. If we throw it near the bait ball, this could look like an injured shad or something. Wow, I'm surprised I haven't got cranked on this yet. All right, we're gonna give one last cast with this thing. I don't think they want something moving this fast. Maybe they just don't like red this time of year. I think these challenges are also good to like where you can get to use different brands and just see what's the juice. Cause I don't think I would have ever picked up a pack of these Christy crawls. But you know, now in the future, this might be it.
Oh, there's a, oh! Just took it out of my hand, basically. This one feels decent. Okay.
Oh.
Wow, he literally almost took my rod out of my hand. It's that small. He was running.
Oh man.
With the least amount of likes, because I had a video hit like 1 million views. Oh my gosh.
He chased it in.
Shoot it all the way.
Yeah. Fun. Took my worm. Yeah, there he is. Oh, smallmouth. You guys got those things up here?
No, I wish.
That's like, I don't even know what fish this is, but I think that's a good spot to wrap up this challenge. Oh man, we knocked out all the baits except for the lipless crankbait. It is hot, but we're gonna go film some challenges later today at this pond. It's pretty good. But thanks for watching, guys. Larry, thanks for picking out these baits. I mean, you did us a solid and picked some decent ones that we were actually able to catch some fish on. Thanks to Logan for having me out. I'll see you guys in the next video, and as always, fish for the adventure.